Hello learners, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. Today, hope you are lucky as you are watching my detailed explained video made on my own written university lesson plan. Don't miss any part of this video. It will surely be helpful to the learning of framing your own lesson plan. So, let's start writing lesson plan with preliminary information. Preliminary information is the part that consists of register number, which is nothing but hall ticket number or roll number of B.Ed course, and name of the school in which you teach, and the class which you handle, and the subject which you deal, and the unit which you are going to teach, and the topic which you are going to deliver, and the date which you teach the topic, and the time which is the duration that you take to finish the topic. So generally micro teaching lesson plan duration should be 5 to 10 minutes, whereas macro teaching lesson plan duration should be 30 minutes. The next part immediately after preliminary information is general objectives. General objectives towards the students of the chosen topic. And then teaching method used to deliver the topic. Next, the list of TLM, teaching learning materials used. And then the list of teaching aids used. But one point to remember, friends, TLM is different from teaching aids. Okay, please observe the difference between them with this sample lesson plan. And next, references. References are the collection of books and other resources which help us to prepare this lesson plan. And next, teaching learning points. This part contains all the main important points of our delivering topic which we choose. Look guys, please write all the points using any bullet points and maintaining proper subheadings highlighted. If there is any need to write an activity, please write neatly in such a format beginning with aim, apparatus required, setup model with the proper diagrams, procedure, etc. Next part is academic standards. In physical science, we have 6 academic standards. AS1 is conceptual understanding, AS2 is asking questions and making hypothesis, AS3 is experimentation and field investigation, AS4 is information skills and project work, AS5 communication through drawing and model making. Finally, AS6 is aesthetic sense and application to daily life. Now we are having 2 main steps, friends. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1 consists of A, B, and C. A, previous knowledge, B, motivation, and C, announcement of the topic. A, previous knowledge should be written with the list of all the terms and basics that the students already possess. And B, motivation contains teacher activity and pupil activity. Teacher activity has a demonstration or explanation and questioning. Finally, we enter into our chosen topic by announcement of the topic and also writing the heading on the blackboard. Coming to the step 2, presentation, it contains 6 columns, friends. Totally 6 columns. The first column, content analysis column, is filled up with important points in the content. The second column is academic standard column, which is provided where the related task is written. And the third column is teaching learning experiences that continues with the teacher activity, pupil activity. Again, teacher activity contains explanation and questioning. And then blackboard work and TLM, teaching learning material column, is used when they are utilized in the topic. And then finally the last column is evaluation column, which is given when we ask something to the student to perform or explain. So this is my complete presentation topic, which you can view slowly by passing the video or by slowing down the motion of the video. Moving out of the presentation step, we write summarization, which concludes our main content discussed, and then recapitulation, which is a part which gives questions to the pupils. Finally, we conclude the lesson plan, macro teaching lesson plan, with giving assignment to the students as homework.
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.